Hi, Raymond Whitaker from Viva MK. Just unboxing a Viva MK delivery. So let's have a look, see what people have been ordering from a Viva MK catalogues. So we've got a box of goodies in here. So let's have a look what's inside the box. A bit more sellotape to get rid of. So we got a doggy bowl with a Candice bowl. Got a nice little food bowl here for the dog. So this box is empty now. We've got another little order here, which would be a personalised order for somebody. We've got a duvet set, polar bears, reindeers,